how to take apart this Volkswagen key with a tracker, even blindfolded. I know there's a designed opening here. How should we pry it? Simple. Check for seams around it. First, observe its structure. Clearly, this area with the keyhole means the middle part can't be pried open, so we can only pry from this side. The seam must be here. Must secure the goods first. Look, found 3 screws. Let's unscrew them. Remove these 3 screws. Remove these 3 screws. We'll directly install the tracker. All master parts work. Forget disassembly steps. Let's yank out the battery first. Keep observing. This part definitely disassembles this way. Watch for springs inside.
Be careful! Don't let springs fly away. We can't lose them.
Okay, got it. What the hell? Was there already a tracker installed?
Nah, this isn't a tracker. The original part looks like this.
Ignore it. Let's position our tracker properly. Where's the space? Where should we install it? Just find the available space. Let's place the tracker here. Find our tracker, peel it open completely. Remove it like this. After removal, where to install the tracker? Install it near the battery, as I said. Position it here, then reassemble. Yeah, boy. Now we'll connect 2 wires directly inside the key. This tracker can last 1,000 years. Let's solder 2 enameled wires across. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Any phone repair technician knows where the polarities are. Could identify them blindfolded. Let's start soldering our tracker's polarities. Apply to 18 base specialty glue. Gently apply a little, then plate some tin, add a bit of solder. Now solder these 2 points directly. First wire, try to align it here. Make this solder joint stronger. Add tin here too. Okay, first wire done. Again, this is the negative pole. Continue with positive pole. Place some tin here too. So this will make it a bit more secure. Let's solder this side too to reinforce it. Okay, let's start with the segment. Now the soldering is done. We'll clean this area thoroughly here. Quite a small amount here first. Okay, use insulating green oil. Apply a little 3-second oil for insulation. Okay, bring out our UV curing lamp. For curing, we'll proceed directly now. Cure these 2 wires in place. Fix them in place. Now we'll solder. For orientation, I'll try facing it this way. To prevent signal interference, I'll reverse this side. The right wire is positive. Now let's check the motherboard to find a convenient soldering spot. Grab the multimeter and touch the positive terminal here, right? Under. Following the positive to here, this is the positive terminal. Can we solder the positive here? This is positive, correct? Let's mark it for soldering later. As mentioned earlier, left is negative. We'll solder the negative here directly. Is this via hole acceptable? Absolutely acceptable. Trim excess wires here, then just solder the negative. Create a solder point here. This is negative. The positive is here. We'll route it over and solder later. Secure the negative first. Apply ZYW specialty compound. Dab some on positive side too. Now apply solder paste directly. At this point, apply solder to the negative here. Now solder the potentiometer's negative terminal left side. Ensure strong adhesion. Okay, negative done. Now the positive wire, this pre-routed wire with less adequate length. We just need to reserve an appropriate length. Not too long, not too short. We've soldered the positive and negative terminals. So now let's disconnect and trim the excess wires. Now we need the ammeter to verify if the remote control is activated. Also check if the tracker is working. Is the indicator light functioning properly? Note, alligator clip voltage shouldn't be too high. Our remote uses 3V and the tracker supports 3.5V power. Let's set it directly to 3. Check if the tracker works properly. First attach the positive terminal. Positive connected, negative connected. Look, has the light turned on? The light activates and dims after seconds. This indicates our tracker has been activated. Let me demonstrate how awesome our tracker is. It consumes power when energized. C3mA consumption, now it's stopped. Actually still working 0 power consumption now. This current appears when pressing the key fob. Without pressing, almost no power draw. See zeroing? It's already tracking. Now let's assemble it. Install the key mechanism properly. The key ejects downward when pressed, utilizing torsion force. Rotate outward. After closing the upper cover, rotate outward. Secure it like this. Rotate 1 full circle outward. Rotate fully, then snap in. Done. Watch, the key can eject now. Okay, now let's tighten the screws. Install battery. Okay, close it up.